Underreported. PNP says dengue deaths higher than acknowledged. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Lorraine Samuels. Also this evening, on the defensive, Health Minister responds to criticism about handling of the dengue outbreak.
We want justice. Controversial police killing sparks outrage.
Bloody Sunday, 14-year-old killed in the corporate area.
And help them, expert concerned about health of policemen.
In business news, innovation engineers design a new machine to pluck chickens.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, have you made changes to the types of food and drink you put in your child's lunch kit for the start of the new school term?
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet at televisionjam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.